Hello, everyone. This question is related to equations of motion, normal and tangential coordinate. A girl is sitting on a platform. It says that she has got a mass of 28 kilograms and sits motionlessly relative to the surface of horizontal platform. The distance is r, the radius of the platform, or where the girl sits, and the angular motion of the platform is slowly increased so that the girl's tangential component of acceleration can be neglected. We want to find out the maximum speed which the girl will have before she begins to slip off the platform. The coefficient of static friction between the girl and the platform is mu, which is equal to 0.2. For this sort of question, it is much better to start it with a free body diagram to see how things work. Um, I'm just gonna draw it here, or just gonna this is my platform, and the girl is sitting here. Assume like, and let me just get some things out of the way. Um, all right. I assume that this is the z direction upward, and this is the normal direction toward the center of the platform. Uh, the mass of the girl is mg toward the negative of y direction or z direction, and n, which is always perpendicular to mg, and we have the force of n. As I said, this is the an toward the center of the platform, which is equal to F of friction is equal to 0.2 n. How I need to solve this problem is that I started with some of the forces in the z direction. In the z direction, we have the mg and n. This is n, and we have mg. They are in opposite directions, so I'll take the n, or upward positive and downward negative. So I would say n minus mj is equal n minus mg is equal to 0. So n is equal to mg. So from here we can find out the mn, the mass of the girl is 28 kilograms times by 9.81, which is equal to something like 274.76 something 7 Newton. So that is for the z direction. I need to calculate the forces in the normal direction. So sum of the all forces in the normal direction is equal to MAN. So the forces in the normal direction is the force of the friction. Force of friction is equal to MAN. I'll put it here. The force of friction, I just said that it is 0.2 times n, equal to m is 28 times an. I've got the value for this n, but I don't have the value for this an. I'm sure that from your lecture note, you know that acceleration in the normal direction is equal to v squared over rho. This rho is the radius of circle or radius of curvature. I recommend you do as many examples as you can so you will remember these formulas. So we have 0.2 for the n, we got it here, times 274.7 equal to 28 times that v squared over rho. The rho or radius was 5. If you rearrange this formula, you will get something for like 54.9 here, and then 28 divided by 5, it is something like equal to 5.6 v squared. So the velocity before the girl starts slipping off the platform is 3.13 meter per second.